Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Canada Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about Canada's refuses entry to Indian visitors at the airport. What are your options? In a surprising development, Canadian authorities have recently denied entry to some Indian visitors at the airport, leaving many uncertain about their next steps. This sudden policy change raises important questions for those affected. Should you consider applying for refugee status, or is it best to return to your home country? In this video, we'll explore the implications of this decision and guide the available options for those stranded at the airport. If you are interested in this topic, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. In a recent development, Canadian authorities have refused entry to several Indian visitors arriving at the airport, causing confusion and concern among those affected. This situation is becoming increasingly common, and it's essential to understand your options if you find yourself in this predicament. Whether you should apply for refugee status or return to your home country depends on several factors, which we will explore in detail in this video. The situation. Canada's entry refusal can stem from various reasons, such as discrepancies in documentation, questions about the purpose of your visit, or doubts about your ties to your home country. When you arrive in Canada, an immigration officer at the airport conducts an assessment to determine whether you meet the entry requirements. This process involves reviewing your visitor visa, the purpose of your visit, and any supporting documents like invitation letters or itineraries. If the officer determines that you do not meet the entry criteria, or if there are inconsistencies in your answers, they may refuse entry. In such cases, you may be given the option to either leave voluntarily or apply for refugee status, depending on the specific circumstances of your case. Options available: departure or refugee application. Departure. If you are denied entry, the immediate option is to return to your home country. This is typically the most straightforward path and involves booking a return flight and leaving Canada. Ensure you comply with the instructions given by the Canadian immigration authorities to avoid any complications. Applying for refugee status. If you believe you face a genuine risk of harm if you return to your home country, you might consider applying for refugee status. The process involves several steps. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. Initial assessment. The immigration officer will conduct an initial assessment to determine if you have a credible claim for refugee status. This involves evaluating whether you are at risk of persecution based on factors like political opinion, religion, nationality, or membership in a particular social group. Filing a refugee claim. If you decide to pursue a refugee claim, you will need to complete and submit the necessary forms to the Refugee Protection Division of the Immigration and Refugee Board. This division will review your claim to determine if it meets the criteria for refugee status. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. Hearing. Your claim will be scheduled for a hearing, where you will have the opportunity to present evidence supporting your case. The IRB will assess whether you meet the requirements for protection under Canadian law. Challenges and considerations. Applying for refugee status is a complex and lengthy process. The number of refugee claims has surged in recent years, leading to significant delays and backlogs in processing. For instance, Canada received over 150,000 refugee applications in 2023, which is 3 times the usual capacity. As a result, the wait time for a decision can be extensive, and there is no guarantee of approval. Moreover, the refugee process is designed to assess genuine cases of persecution and harm. If your claim is not substantiated, it may be rejected, and you could face a removal order, requiring you to leave Canada. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. Important factors to consider. Genuine risk. Your claim for refugee status must be based on a genuine risk of persecution or harm in your home country. This could be due to political unrest, threats based on your religion, ethnicity, or sexual orientation, or other significant factors. Supporting evidence. It is crucial to provide thorough and credible evidence to support your refugee claim. This includes documentation, personal statements, and any other relevant information that substantiates your fear of returning to your home country. Legal assistance. Navigating the refugee process can be challenging, and seeking legal assistance from an immigration lawyer or consultant can be beneficial. They can help you understand the process, prepare your application, and represent you during hearings. If you find yourself in a situation where Canada has denied your entry, it's vital to understand your options and make an informed decision whether you choose to return to your home country or apply for refugee status. Being well informed and prepared will help you navigate the process more effectively. Navigating entry denials can be challenging and stressful whether you're contemplating applying for refugee status or deciding to leave. It's crucial to stay informed and seek the right advice. That is all for today. In this video, what are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.